The Narrato Google Docs Add-on gives you access to most of Narrato's AI and SEO tools on Docs. Here's how you can install and use the Narrato add-on. To begin, open a new Google Doc and click on Extensions in the top menu. Then select Get Add-ons. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Search for Narrato. Install the Narrato add-on by clicking on the button, and once done, the Narrato add-on will be available on your Google Docs under the Extensions tab. Click on Start to open the Narrato add-on. To use the AI and SEO tools, you will first have to log in using your Narrato Workspace login credentials and select your workspace. Once you're logged in, you can access Narrato's AI writing tools, AI images and SEO brief under dedicated tabs on the Narrato add-on. Generate spectacular content on Google Docs using Narrato's 100+ AI writing templates. Generate stunning AI images and add them to your Google Doc in one click. To use the SEO brief feature, create an associated task on Narrato Workspace and generate a brief. Then copy the task URL from the browser and paste it on the Brief tab on the Narrato add-on. You can now see all the SEO suggestions, such as keywords, questions, references, and even the due date and task status on your Google Doc. Experience the magic of Narrato's AI content and SEO tools on Google Docs. Install the Narrato Google Docs add-on today